Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize risk management with Coca-Cola Company, beginner. Understanding risk management is crucial for any organization, including Coca-Cola. Begin by identifying potential risks the company faces. These can include supply chain disruptions, regulatory changes, or market fluctuations. Next, assess the likelihood and impact of each risk identified. Prioritize the risks based on their potential effects on the business. Develop a risk management strategy tailored to Coca-Cola's unique needs. This could involve diversifying suppliers to reduce dependence on any single source. Implement regular training for employees on risk awareness and management practices. Monitor the external environment continuously for new and emerging risks. Utilize data analytics to gain insights into market trends and consumer behavior. Establish clear communication channels for reporting risks. Create a risk response plan outlining steps to mitigate the identified risks. Review and update the risk management plan regularly to ensure its effectiveness. Involve stakeholders in the risk management process for better collaboration. Encourage a culture of transparency regarding risk reporting and management. Leverage technology for real-time risk monitoring and reporting. Evaluate the effectiveness of the risk management strategy periodically. Adjust the strategy as needed based on performance and changing conditions. Ensure that all levels of the organization are engaged in risk management efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.